Castro, our respected school, Dr. Danilo Castro Tongahan II, our proficient teachers, diligent, our supportive parents, friends, guests, and most especially to my dear co-graduates of class 2023, a glorious day to all. Graduation is a major milestone in our academic journey. It is a goal that many have worked tirelessly. It can be an exciting or a threatening experience in our life, but we cannot deny that it opens a lot of opportunities for each and every one of us. There are no words to express how grateful I am at this very moment. More than honored and dignified, I stand here before you to represent this year's kindergarten graduating class. Every warrior, every victor who has won the so-called battle for quality education. My heart is gladdened with these people in front of me, supporting the graduates and witnessing this very important event in our life, in our gradual transition from the onslaught of the coronavirus to the post-pandemic new normal. Amidst heavy emotional baggage of losses, sufferings, and missed opportunities, the Filipino brand of resilience takes center stage. It is proof that whatever calamity or disaster will come our way will be survived because we are resilient. As our graduation team ushers K-12 graduates, molded through a resilient educational foundation, this emphasizes that graduation is not only a celebratory milestone, but also a symbol of resiliency of Filipino learners honed by a solid-based education system that is responsive to the changing needs of the time. In hindsight, I would like to share this main highlight of this year's graduation, the word that most describe us as Filipino, resilient. Resiliency comes when we are able to rise up after a fall, and more importantly, when we are able to adapt all the phases of these challenging circumstances while maintaining stable well-being. Congratulations, victorious graduates! We made it! All this will not be possible without the following personas. Our highest glory and gratitude to our Lord, who has given us the opportunity to witness and live in this wonderful life. To our families who have supported us in every step we take, we appreciate every single thing you do for us, and you are always our strongest motivation. To our administrators, faculty, and staff who have always been delighted in delivering the quality education that we all need, we can't thank you enough, but we will always remember and bring with us all the lessons you have taught us. In parting, always remember that a resilient heart does not define by any adversity. It is our adversity in life that gives fruitful meaning to resiliency. We are so deserving of this resounding greeting. Congratulations of the class 2023. Mabuhay! May God bless us all.
Thank you, Bob.